Hi guys, I am CeeCee and this is Keyah Soul, the Poetic Locksmith. Did you hear that? It's so good to have you here at the Skeyez and Starz Showcase second annual. Introduce yourself, for me.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Keyah Soul, the Poetic Locksmith. I am your soul key, so let me be the key to your soul.
Ooh, I just felt that. I felt it. How do you use your poetry and your singing? How do you use that as your stepping stone in life?
Well, I am a mental health awareness advocate. So I use my gift as speaking of my personal experience and others as well. And I just use it to heal, and to bring awareness, to be able to use healthy coping skills to get through your trauma or whatever issues that you're dealing with.
Okay, some you may not know unless you get it out, unless you sing, unless you give some spoken word. Okay, I understand that. What do you expect to gain from this second annual showcase here?
I expect to just gain confidence and more courage. It's been a while due to COVID. We've been restricted to perform in certain areas and venues. So I just, wish to gain new relationships.
Networking. Okay. Well, how can the people reach you?
At the Poetic Locksmith on all social media handles, Twitter at Poetic Locksmith.
Ooh, the Poetic Locksmith. What was it? The key to your soul.
The key to your soul.
Key to my soul. I'm gonna give it to you now. You just gotta take care of it. Okay. Well, again, so nice to